Hi everyone, I'm back, and it's our 6th episode of In a Nutshell, and it's sponsored by Higher Power Raw Foods. So today I got up this morning and I did my sauna, my cold shower, I jumped on the trampoline and had my green drink, and I feel great. And I want to start today by having a really healthy dip that you can make, and it's very easy. You can make it in minutes. You can have it for the week for yourself or bring it to a party, whatever your choice is. It's a nice nutritious dip for your babies if they can eat walnuts. So let's get started. Here we have 8 ounces, which equals about 4 cups of organic spinach. And I got this at the co-op today. At the farmer's market, when it's in season, it's delightful to use. It's just a nice quality spinach. But today we're going to put all of this in the Cuisinart. Any food processor will do. This is pretty easy to blend. Okie dokie. And we're going to take celery, and this is some killer celery. They're real nice, firm. I just love this celery today. And this is 3 stalks, about 11 ounces. Throw that in there. Whoops. Along with, I used a half of a large onion, which is about 7 ounces. So kind of guess, you know, it could be a medium, small, depending on your liking for onion. And then I have a half a cup of lemon juice that is freshly squeezed. And you can use a little less. This does come through as a little lemony, so if you want to start with a third and see how you like it. And again, there's no rules. You can do whatever you want if you want more. So we have that. And I'm going to quickly blend that up just to get that going. Now let's add, this is 2.5 cups of sprouted walnuts. And we soak them overnight, and then it isn't technically sprouted, but they do reduce the phytates in them, so they aren't bitter and they're very tasty. Then we also dehydrate them, so they are dry. Okay, throw those in there. And then I always like to use the whole pepper. I use the whole black peppercorns as well as the cumin that is whole. And then I put it in a little grinder, or you can use a pestle and mortar. I have it all ground up in here. It's 2 teaspoons of black pepper and 2 teaspoons of cumin. Just throw that in, and 1 teaspoon of Himalayan salt. And throw that in. So see how easy this is? Just blend that up. And about this time you can scrape the sides and give it a taste. See what you think. I wouldn't change a thing, but you might, so just be aware that you can add a little more cumin if you like that flavor. And if you want this crunchy, you can not blend it so long and have some of the walnuts coming through. So I'm going to put a little in this little pepper here that someone so artfully put together. And you can put that on a tray with some crackers or celery and carrots. And here we have it with it's in a heart bowl with a heart. And enjoy that. This is about how much it will make too. So thank you for joining us today. Like us on Facebook and see our deals that we have every month. And this month right now it's 15% off on your order. And we're also offering $1 off on walnuts this month. Thank you for joining us. We look forward to being with you again. Bye.